12th is over, now it's time to go to college and everyone wants to look presentable, right? Nice dresses, nice hair, nice makeup. Hello guys, welcome to Foxy. I'm Komal and I'm a makeup artist and I've got very quick and easy techniques of makeup for you that you can do every day when you go to college. So ready? Let's get started. First step of doing makeup is using a moisturizer. That's an everyday thing that you have to do. I've got this moisturizer from Faces Canada. It's Hydro Face Moisturizer. It's really hydrating, and you know what's the best part? It has got SPF 15 into it. You don't need a sunscreen separately. So I will use this moisturizer, take 2 pumps of it and massage it really nicely on my entire face and my neck. And it's very lightweight. I'm done prepping with my skin. Now the second step is using a foundation. To do this very quickly, I like to use my fingers, and this is my favorite foundation, Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This actually is medium to buildable coverage, so it'll be very quick and on your fingertips. 1 pump, just put little dots all over the face, on your neck, and a little bit around your ear, and blend it. The next step I will be doing is using a loose powder to fix my makeup ताकि makeup melt down ना हो. This is from Maybelline Fit Me again, shade number 15 light. So I'll take very little bit of this powder and use this brush. This is from Faces Canada. It's a powder brush. So I'll take a little bit of powder, dust off the extra and dab it all over. Now to give my face a little fresher look, I will be using a blush. I love this palette. It's from Maybelline. This is a master blush palette. So it has got 3 blushes and 1 highlighter. So for daytime, I like using just the blush, and for evening, what's the best part? Use the highlighter on top. I will be using this brush. It's a blush brush from Real Technique. And I like to use this color. It's a very natural color which also matches with my dress. So I'll take this little bit and use it on the apple of my cheeks. So we've got little freshness on the face with the blush. The next thing I'll use is one thing that a lot of girls cannot live without, and it's the kajal. This is from L'Oreal Magic and it's intense black. The best part of it is that it comes in a roll-on form, quick and easy to use and very convenient. So when you're putting a kajal, stretch your under eye little and then use it in your waterline ताकि वो spread ना हो नीचे. This is actually very intense black and I think it's very convenient to carry it anywhere in your purse. Now to make my eyes look open up, I will be using this mascara from Calabar. This is Zoom and Whoosh mascara. And you know what? This mascara is actually a lifesaver and the one mascara that you need for everything. So when you want to use something on a regular basis like for college, I like to use the smaller wand. And if in case you want to go out for a party or evening में कहीं plan बन जाए friends के साथ जाने का, just use the bigger one to add a little bit volume. So for the daytime, I will be using the smaller wand of this one. Now I will be using a lip color which matches my dress. This one is from Maybelline New York. The number is 660, Touch of Spice. It's such a beautiful color. It's kind of like a mauvish pink color which actually you can wear with any dress or any outfit that you wear. So I will be using this all over my lip. I think it's a creamy texture and it's really soft on the lips. Now last but not the least, I will be using this LA Girl Pro Setting Spray because anyways you want your beautiful makeup to last throughout the day. So I'm going to use this spray from 1 arm distance and close my eyes. Just 2 sprays are enough and now you're good to go.